Hi, Mark. How are you?
Hi, Anna. I'm good. Are you happy today?
Yes, I am. Do you like this cafe?
Yes, it's nice. Is this your favorite cafe?
No, but I like it. Do you come here often?
Sometimes. Do you live near here?
Yes, I do. Where do you live?
I live in the city center. Is your house big?
It's small. Do you have a big family?
No, it's small too. Do you have brothers or sisters?
I have one sister. Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a dog. Do you like dogs?
Yes, they're cute. Do you have a cat?
No, I don't. Do you like cats?
Yes, I do. What is your dog's name?
His name is Max. Do you have a pet?
Yes, a fish. What food does Max like?
He likes meat. Do you cook for your fish?
No, I don't. Do you like to cook?
Yes, I do. Can you cook well?
Not really. What food do you make?
I make pasta. Do you like pasta?
Yes, I love it. Do you eat pizza?
Yes, all the time. Is pizza your favorite food?
No, I like sushi. Do you like sushi?
It's okay. Do you eat sushi often?
Not often. What is your favorite food?
I like burgers. Do you like fast food?
Sometimes. Do you drink coffee?
Yes, every day. Do you like tea?
Yes, I do. Do you drink milk?
No, I don't. Do you like juice?
Yes, orange juice. What's your favorite drink?
I like cola. Do you like to dance?
Yes, it's fun. Can you dance well?
It's not really. Do you like to sing?
Yes, I do. Can you sing?
No, I'm bad. Do you like music?
Yes, a lot. What music do you like?
I like rock. Do you like pop music?
Yes, I do. Do you play an instrument?
No, I don't. Can you play the guitar?
No, but I want to. Do you like movies?
Yes, I do. Do you watch movies often?
Yes, every weekend. What movies do you like?
I like action movies. Do you like comedies?
Yes, they're funny. Do you watch TV?
Sometimes. Do you have a favorite TV show?
Yes, I do. Do you like sports?
Yes, I love sports. Do you play soccer?
No, I don't. Do you like to run?
Yes, I run every morning. Can you swim?
Yes, I can. Do you like swimming?
Yes, it's great. Do you go to the gym?
No, I don't. Do you exercise a lot?
Yes, I do. Do you like to walk?
Yes, I walk every day. Do you have a car?
Yes, I do. Do you drive?
No, I don't. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love it. Do you travel a lot?
Not much. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Italy. Do you like to fly?
No, I'm scared. Do you like planes?
Yes, they're okay. Do you like the beach?
Yes, I do. Do you like the mountains?
Yes, they're beautiful. Do you like to ski?
No, I don't. Do you like winter?
Yes, it's nice. Do you like summer?
Yes, I love it. What's your favorite season?
I like spring. Do you like rain?
No, I don't. Do you like sunny days?
Yes, they're great. Do you read books?
Yes, sometimes. What books do you read?
I read adventure books. Do you like to read?
Yes, I do. Do you write stories?
No, I don't. Do you like to draw?
Yes, it's fun. Can you draw well?
No, I'm bad. Do you like art?
Yes, I do. Do you go to museums?
Sometimes. Do you like history?
Yes, it's interesting. Do you study a lot?
Not really. Do you go to school?
Yes, I do. What do you study?
I study English. Do you like English?
Yes, it's fun. Do you speak other languages?
Yes, a little Spanish. Can you speak Spanish?
No, I can't. Do you like to learn?
Yes, I do. Do you have a job?
Yes, I do. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. Do you like your job?
Yes, it's okay. Do you work every day?
No, not every day. Do you like weekends?
Yes, I do. What do you do on weekends?
I relax. Do you have plans this weekend?
Yes, I do. Do you want to meet again?
Yes, I do. Can we meet tomorrow?
Sure. Is this a good cafe for tomorrow?
Yes, it is. Do you want coffee or tea tomorrow?
Tea, please. See you tomorrow?
Yes, see you.